You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day. Technically it's not today, but my flight is in 24 hours. I usually like to pack 24 hours before the flight. But yeah, today is the day we are packing to go to Cancun, Mexico. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, I'm excited. This is not going to be a very intensive packing because we are literally living on the beach, so you don't need a lot of outfits, and besides it's summer, so hot girl summer, we outside. As you can see the mess behind me, we are going to put everything together. I usually make a list of the things I want to pack, so I'll just be taking them as we go, just so I don't forget anything. This is my luggage for this trip. I'm only carrying a carry-on bag, so not a lot of stuff. So, and then this will be my add-on, like my handbag. So let's begin. Like I said earlier on, you're going to be on the beach and around water, so you don't need a lot of dressy outfits like that. So I have my shorts. I'll take 2 of these. I have a red one. I'm not sure if I'll be adding it, but I'll decide tomorrow morning. But these 2 are for sure going. So let's pack this. I'm so excited. I don't know how it feels like being on the beach for 5 days. Ooh. And then I got my swimsuit. This swimsuit is so gorgeous. Let me show you. Yeah, this is it. And I got this for $32. So pretty. I can't wait to wear this. It has like this detail here, so if you have a big stomach, you don't have to worry about wearing this swimsuit because it covers your stomach. Fortunately, I don't have a big stomach, but yeah. So that will be my swimsuit for this vacation. Completely pack that in. These are 5 outfits that I have carefully selected, but I know I will not be needing all 5 of them because I'll be gone for 5 days, and 5 days, 4 days out of the 5 or 3 days out of the 5, I know I'm going to be on the beach or around the water. So I have carefully selected these 5 outfits because it's summer, you know, this is very light, so I can wear these when I'm away from winter, like in town, because obviously I cannot wear the shorts and the skimpy dresses in town. So these are carefully selected outfits that I'm going to pack with me. There are 5, but I'll go with 4. I'll probably wear 1 to the airport. So let's begin. I put them together here so I don't forget anything. I'm just going to put this together. Let me know in the comment section who else keeps the tag of their new clothes on until they are ready to wear it. Some people, when they buy the clothes, they just take out the tag immediately. I'm like, no, we have to keep this until you are ready to wear it. What if you don't wear it and you want to give it as a gift to your friend? Or maybe you want to sell it, but you've taken the tag out. So yes, even though I'm going to wear this in Mexico, I'm still going to leave the tag until I get there. I don't know if you remember, this is a skirt I got at the Toronto Premium Outlet, and the original price is $118, but I think I got it for $68, and I think that was a very good deal. Remember when I entered that store? Yeah, that was where I got this. So we will be rocking it in Mexico for the first time. So I'm going to add my summer basics. These are 3 tops that will go with my shorts and my skirt. So let's add that. 3 tops is more than enough though, but then it's always better to be fully prepared. And then I'm gonna add outfits. This is very light and I like the color. It gives you like a vacation vibe. And just imagine you throw this on that. Cool, isn't it? Since it's summer, I never travel without having a little black dress on me because this always comes in handy, you know. And then I have 3 sets of 2-piece outfits. This is a 2-piece, that is a 2-piece, that is a 2-piece I got from Shein. You guys, the long one, yes, I decided not to return it. I'm going to wear it on the beach for pictures. Not just for pictures, but yeah. I also have this 2-piece. Yeah, I wore this 2-piece in London. So 2-piece, I love 2-pieces because like that's a complete outfit. You know, they are easy to dress up in and style, especially when you're on vacation. You don't have the time to look for a top and a blouse. It's just easy, you know. When I buy only a top or only pants, I now have to go look for tops that will match the pants or pants that will match the tops, and that's like another stress. So once you have 2-piece, you're good to go. You just pick this one, it's a complete outfit. All you have to do is iron it well in the sew. So I'm thinking of what I'll wear to the airport. I'll probably wear one of my 2-pieces. One tip that I always share with my friends is it's better to wear comfortable flights on the plane. You don't want to wear something that's when you want to use the restroom, you now have to something like a jumpsuit or jeans. Okay, if you want to wear jeans, that's fine. But for me, I like a comfortable set of 2-piece that will make it easy for me to use the restroom and just be smart around the airport. Yeah, so I'll probably wear one of these to the airport. You guys know a vacation is not complete without some decent sunglasses. So I'm going to add this to day 1 on the beach. I'll wear this. Day 2 on the beach, I'll probably wear what I'm wearing. Day 3, I keep going until the 5th day. Yeah. So we'll have that in here. And I always talk about my summer hats. This one, I don't think I want to keep it here. This one will probably go at the back. Or last time I traveled, I kept it here because of the design. You don't want to put it in your bag and mess it up when you get to your location. So I'll put that in here. But for this one, I think I'll wear it. I'll wear it to the airport. Yeah. I'm sure you're wondering where are my panties and bras. I already packed them. You know, those are intimate wears and it's for my eyes only. Yeah. So let's move on to my makeup. My makeup always stays packed in here. So I'll do my makeup tomorrow morning. So I think I'll just leave that around. So after my makeup, I'll quickly put it in. And you know you need wipes. I never travel without wipes. So this goes here. And my travel size toiletries. I have my hand cream, I have my deodorant, I have my shampoo, though I might not shampoo my hair. I just like to have everything. I have Tylenol. So I'm ready. Let's find a place and keep this. Yeah, and my jewelry. This is what I'll wear to the airport, but I think I have to select some of these because you don't need a lot of jewelry on the beach, do you? Before you lose it. So I'll select that, and this is my travel wallet. I have my passport in here. I have all my cards, and so this one will go into my handbag. This one will go in here. And with my turbans, I think I'll take this four with me, and I'll add two of these just so I have variety. But I actually think these four will be, but I never want to go with that, so I scrap those. Okay, so these will go here. So technically I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 turbans for a 5-day trip. I think I need to reduce it. I'll figure that out later. You need your bonnet. You need to protect your hair. Bonnet goes here. For the shoes, I don't need a lot of shoes, so I'll have these two and my slipper. Let's go back to the boot to see if I packed everything. Okay, the rest of the things will only go in tomorrow morning after I have showered, because I cannot pack them and take them out again. Yeah, so that is it. I'll go over my stuff later on in the evening, guys. So let's pause for now. Let me go grab lunch and do my meals, and I'll check in with you again. And I completely forgot, I have a hair appointment with my loctician at 5 p.m. Or I'll see you when she comes. I like to show you what she does, if she agrees. You know, some people don't want to have cameras in their feet. So see you then.